Did you know that a minimalist design can actually make your home feel twice as spacious? Let's uncover this secret together. Welcome to a world where simplicity meets sophistication. In this video, we're diving into the elegant charm of modern minimalist home designs. Prepare to be inspired as we explore clean lines, open spaces, and functional elegance tailored for modern living. Stick around because by the end, you'll have countless ideas to transform your dream home. Can your home's exterior reflect your personality without overcomplicating the design? Let's find out. Let's start with the first impression, the exterior. A modern minimalist home shines with its simplicity and practicality. Think geometric shapes, natural materials, and large glass elements that connect indoor and outdoor spaces. The goal: timeless elegance that feels inviting. Ever wondered how to make your living space both cozy and clutter-free? We've got some ideas you'll love. Step inside, where minimalism transforms living spaces into sanctuaries. The living room, for instance, is all about maximizing functionality with a dash of personality. Neutral palettes, multifunctional furniture, and hidden storage make this the heart of a modern minimalist home. Could your kitchen be more than just a cooking space? Let's turn it into a minimalist masterpiece. Next stop, the kitchen and dining area. Here, less is truly more. Minimalist kitchens feature seamless cabinetry, integrated appliances, and countertops free of unnecessary clutter. The dining space: a simple table paired with understated yet stylish chairs. What if your bedroom could instantly make you feel calm and relaxed? Let's bring that vision to life. The bedroom, your personal retreat. A minimalist bedroom prioritizes comfort and relaxation. Soft lighting, neutral tones, and clutter-free designs create the perfect space to unwind. And don't forget smart storage solutions to keep everything tidy. Finally, the bathroom, a place to refresh and rejuvenate. Minimalist bathrooms embrace clean lines, natural light, and quality materials like marble and wood. Add functional touches like frameless mirrors and floating vanities for that spa-like vibe. Imagine starting your day in a bathroom that feels like a luxurious spa. Ready to make it happen? And that wraps up our journey into modern minimalist home designs. From exteriors to interiors, minimalism proves that simplicity can be luxurious. Which idea was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more inspiring home design ideas. Until next time, happy designing!